Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Leafeon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw two curves going out, up, and then bring it down. And then add another curve underneath. Now top and side each of the eyes, and let's draw an oval at the top. And then another one behind it in the center. And lastly for the eyes, let's draw a line down on the inside like this. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and let's draw the nose with a small triangle. Now that we're done the face, let's hop out and let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides near the tops of the eyes, and let's draw a wavy line in and then bring it down to the center. And the same thing on the other side. Now from the tops, we're going to curve it in. Next on top, we're going to add the ears. Let's start with a curve up on both sides like this. And then a zigzag line up. And then a curve up again. Next, we're going to hop in and we're going to draw the other side of the ears with a curve up like this. And then from the tops of both ends, let's draw a V-shaped notch in. Then from the outside line, let's curve it up. And then curve it back down. Now let's move in and let's draw the inside of the ears. From the top, let's draw a curve down, stopping here. Then let's bring it down with a wavy line. And then curve it back up on both sides. And then to finish off the ears, let's draw one more line down near the top here. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw the piece of hair going up. Let's start in between the eyes and let's draw a wavy line up and then curve it over to the left. And then let's bring it around on top and back down with a wavy line. Now behind this piece, let's finish off the top of the head. Let's start on top of each of the ears and let's draw a curve up. And then a wavy line back down towards the center. And then on the left, let's draw a long curve down. And a smaller one on the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Under the head, let's draw a curve out on both sides. And then curve it down and in. Now we're going to hop to the center and let's draw two curves down for the other side of the legs. And then at the bottom, let's curve it down and back up for the feet. And then add 2 curves inside at the bottom for the toes. Now inside the body here, let's add some details. Inside each of the legs at the bottom here, let's draw a curved V shape. Now top up near the top and let's draw a curve over to the left and back out. And then a larger one underneath. And then let's add one more small curve on the right. Next, we're going to hop out and let's draw a curved piece on the right side next to the neck and back in. And that's it for the front section of the body. Now let's move down and let's draw the back legs. Let's start on the sides and let's bring it out and curve it in. Then underneath for the foot, let's draw a curve out. And then curve it back in underneath. And then add 2 lines at the bottom. Now inside each of the legs, let's draw a curved point out and back in. And let's do the same thing on the outside of the leg here. And lastly, to close off the body, in between the front paws, let's draw a curve across in the center here. And that's it for the body. Now let's add the tail. Next to the right leg, let's draw 2 curves going out like this. And then from the top line, let's curve it up. And the same thing going down from the other line. Now from the top line, let's draw a V-shaped notch in. Bring it up. Another notch. Up again. And then one more V-shaped notch in. And then let's curve it up towards the head. Now top down, and from the other line, let's bring it out. A zigzag line like this. And then angle it out and up. Now top up next to the head and let's draw a curve out. Curve it out again. And then bring it in at the end. Now let's curve it down and over to close off the shape of the tail. Now let's move inside and let's draw the veins to the leaf. Let's start at the bottom and let's draw a line up in the center, stopping here. And then let's curve it out on both sides like this. Now top up, and from the top of the tail, let's draw a line in, then leave a small gap and another curve down. And that's it for Leafeon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!